Try it free for 3 days with 20 million input tokens, 10 million output tokens, 25 Opus messages, and access to every model with no card. I switch the site to English and show you what that access can build. The models page covers Sol, Terra, Luna, GPT 5.5, Codex, and Claude Opus 5. Luna is the free model. Codex is tuned for refactoring, tests, and migrations. Opus is the strongest model, with deep reasoning and limited availability. The pricing page puts the limits in plain view. The free tier includes Luna, 2 million input tokens, and 1 million output tokens per week. Usage is charged by actual tokens, and the dashboard shows spending for each model. The documentation explains both browser chat and terminal agents. Browser chat needs no installation and cannot access your files. Codex works inside the project. It reads files, makes changes, runs commands, and verifies the result. The same API also works with OpenAI-compatible clients. I sign in through Google. The trial opens all models immediately, including Claude Opus 5. Payment details are not requested. The same account shares its limits between browser chat and the agent running in the terminal. Next, I create an API key in account settings and type the displayed value openly for this recording. The key appears only once. AmoryMe does not store the key itself after creation. It keeps only its hash. Now I open PowerShell.exe. Everything that follows stays in this same window, so the environment variable will be available when Codex starts. Codex CLI is an open project under the Apache 2.0 license and requires Node.js 20 or newer. One short command installs it globally directly from the package published by OpenAI. The configuration selects AmoryMe as the provider and Opus as the model, with high reasoning effort. It also enables the Windows execution path, removes approval interruptions, configures full workspace access, and trusts the exact project folder used for this demonstration. In this same PowerShell window, I set the API key, create a clean project folder, enter it, and initialize a Git repository. The secret stays in the environment instead of being written into the configuration file. The launch command has no extra flags. Codex reads the provider, model, security settings, project trust, and environment variable from the configuration we just prepared. Now, I describe the result, not its implementation. I ask Opus for an interactive browser drum machine, 16 steps, 4 sounds, tempo control, and a visible playhead. Codex decides how to build it, writes the project files, runs the necessary commands, and checks its own work. The model takes a few minutes, so only the picture speeds up while the narration remains natural. Here is the finished result in the browser. I can place beats across 16 steps, use 4 sounds, change the tempo, and follow playback on the visible playhead. This is what AmoryMe offers. Models working through Codex directly inside your project. Open ai.amoryme.com now and start the 3-day trial free with no card.